Today we're showing you a 2018 New Holland T5.120 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat and air. Comes with a New Holland 825 TL quick attach front loader. Tractor was a one-owner trade-in. Simply needed a larger tractor, so we traded this machine in on a larger unit. It's a very clean tractor. Has the skid steer cell hookup for your bucket connection. Front grill guard. It's got the new style front hood. Telescopic mirrors, LED work lights, front fenders. Mitas radial tires are in excellent shape. Overall, the tractor is in great shape, cosmetically and mechanically. Has 3 sets of rear wheel weights. A little bit of damage here on the fender back here. PTO and 3-point controls back here on both fenders. Has the 540 N1000 PTO capabilities. Triple rear remotes, LED work lights back here as well, beacon warning light. It's a very, very sharp tractor, as you can see. We specialize in late model, low hour tractors. Have approximately 120 used tractors on our yard. Has a full air ride seat here for the operator. Has the buddy seat here to the side. Tilt steering wheel and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Also has the nice joystick on it, which allows you to shift the transmission. High-low range over there, and then an 8-speed power shift within each range, which you can shift with the buttons on the range lever or the joystick right here. 3 remotes over the blue levers over there to the right is what controls those. 4-wheel drive, differential lock, reverser reactivity switches, engine management switches all over there to the right. In the post, you've got the climate controls, Bluetooth capable radio up top. Also has a visibility roof. Just a very nice tractor inside and out. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us at masttractor.com.